What's up, guys? So, it's me, Dave Coleman, aka Ryan Coleman. And David is over there, my dad. And you guys are probably going to be like, why are you recording this? Well, guess what I bought today? A 45 thing that you might all like. Atari flashback 9. Built with 110 games. Built-in 110 games. Pause the video if you want to see all these and many more games built in this. Finally got this. At $97. Bought a Charizard EX box, Pokemon card. This was $45 or 44. Man, that was hard. Oh, I might show you what rare Pokemon cards I got. So, I got Incineroar, Radichu Hollow. And then Charizard EX. And then a Canerupt EX4. I'm like done. Might be done with Pokemon. I don't know. But Hard Collector, if you're watching this, you better beat this Canerupt. Alright, now we're gonna open it on the ground, Dad. So everybody can see. Alright, we're opening it. Hey, Dad, put it on the ground while we're open. I got it. So it's taped. It has, if everyone is a fan of Guitar Hero, it's from Activision. Guitar Hero made Activision made Guitar Hero. Activision made Kaboom. And all the old timers, everybody has to watch this. Or maybe. So let's open it. Oh, look. I thought this wasn't even real. So that is the base set. Oh no.
The console.
That is amazing.
Joystick.
$45 for all of this? No, I would charge like $100 for this. Right, Dad? Joysticks on the... We're doing an unboxing. So, do these joystick.
Has his wallet. I thought you could put that in your backpack and all his games left in it.
But
The other one is trash.
do you think these joysticks are amazing?
Did you turn the water on yet?
Yep, I do.
The Atari sign.
Why don't you pause it for a minute? It's like we'll be back once it's turned on.
We'll be back. All right, we'll set it up. So this is what we have right now. Sorry guys, we had to pause it because we had to take some more time. Dad's putting the wire together with this. Here's what we have now. We have the base, good. The joystick's good. We just put them together. Now we're trying to get it selected in there. Alright? Alright guys, so we'll be back. So this is what we have now. We still have to do the plug. This. And we'll be back. Oh, is it set up? What about this? We're almost done, right? We'll be back when it's all done. This is what we have. It is finished, but we need the TV on. Then we might do some gameplay videos. I don't know, we might combine. We don't know. So that is a little bit of an unboxing. We'll do, and we'll show you the screen when it's all ready. So our Pac-Man is unplugged. And now my new Atari. We're gonna have some fun. Are we, Dave?
Yes, sir.
Look at the camera. Say,
Yes, sir.
we are. Say, we are.
We are.
We are going to have fun.
Cats are tearing up my back.
Yep.
Scratch that.
HDMI. No single, Dave.
Start spraying it with vinegar too.
HDMI 2. HDMI 2 maybe. Maybe. HDMI 1, try that. Yeah. Maybe antenna. Antenna maybe?
Pause that for a second.
Alright. So this is what it looks like. So that is it for this video. And we'll be back soon. So, peace.